Want lightning-fast 3D printing, bigger builds, and multicolor magic, all without breaking the bank? These are the 5 best 3D printers of 2025 you'll wish you had sooner. Let's get printing. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Combo. Kicking things off with a game changer. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Combo combines multicolor printing with blazing speed, up to 600 millimeters per second. It supports 8-color printing with the ACE Pro system and has full app control. Pros: 8-color filament support with built-in auto-drying. Massive speed, 600 millimeters per second max print rate. Smart app control for wireless file uploads and monitoring. Great print volume, 250 by 250 by 260 millimeters. What users say: reviewers love the vibrant multicolor prints and the ease of use even with complex models. Number 2. Sovol SV06. The Sovol SV06 brings a Prusa-style design with an all-metal hot end, dual-gear direct drive, and 25-point auto-leveling, all at an unbeatable price point. Pros: direct drive extruder for better filament control. High-precision auto-leveling with 25 points. 32-bit silent board for ultra-quiet printing. Excellent for flexible and exotic filaments. What users say: loved for its durability and value. Many call it the hidden gem of 2025 for beginners and pros alike. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Pro. Need speed? The Kobra 2 Pro delivers 500 millimeters per second max print speed while maintaining high detail. It includes 25-point automatic bed leveling and a smart UI to streamline every job. Pros: fast and accurate with a compact 9.8 inches by 8.7 inches by 8.7 inches build area. Improved cooling and motion systems reduce ghosting. Great for detailed prototypes and mechanical parts. What users say: buyers say it punches well above its price class. Many love the balance between speed and stability. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Max. The Kobra 2 Max is for serious creators who need huge print volume. With a 500 by 420 by 420 millimeters build size and 500 millimeters per second print speed, it's built for cosplay props, large mechanical parts, or multi-model batches. Pros: huge print size, one of the biggest under $1,000. App control for remote monitoring and uploads. Precision leveling plus fast travel speed for big jobs. What users say: creators rave about its reliability on large prints. Excellent for advanced users, schools, or prototyping labs. Number 5. ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 V2 Combo. Finally, the Kobra 3 V2 Combo is the flagship model, combining 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing, multicolor support, and automatic filament drying. It's ideal for pros, educators, and hobbyists who want it all. Pros: prints in up to 8 colors with ACE Pro system. Auto-drying keeps filament moisture-free for better prints. Fast, app-connected, and whisper-quiet. What users say: this is a pro-tier printer without the pro-tier headache. Customers say it's future-ready and well worth the price. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best 3D printers of 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking for ease or a pro craving speed and color, there's something here for you. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more gear reviews, and tap the bell so you never miss a future upload. Until next time, keep printing.